Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's been making waves in the world of drone technology, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. We've linked this product in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DJI Mini 5 Pro? This compact drone, designed for both amateur and seasoned aerial enthusiasts, packs a punch with its impressive features. It's an ultralight, palm-sized foldable design that effortlessly fits into your pocket, making it incredibly convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. With 42 gigabytes of internal storage, you can capture stunning footage without worrying about running out of space mid-flight. Now let's talk about the features that set the Mini 5 Pro apart. First up, the 1-inch CMOS sensor that allows you to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means you get high dynamic range video with sharp details and vibrant colors, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes or action-packed scenes. Whether you're filming a sunset or chasing your friends on a hiking trip, this drone ensures your footage looks professional. One of the standout features is the true vertical filming capability and the 225 degrees flexible gimbal rotation. This innovative design allows you to experiment with unique angles and perspectives, making your footage even more creative and engaging. It's perfect for those looking to add a cinematic touch to their videos or social media posts. Safety is paramount in drone flying, especially during night flights. Thankfully, the Mini 5 Pro comes equipped with Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This system uses forward-facing LiDAR and vision sensors to detect obstacles in all directions, ensuring a safe flying experience in low-light conditions. Plus, the return-to-home feature adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind when flying. Another impressive feature is the upgraded ActiveTrack 360 degrees. This allows for customizable tracking modes that keep your subjects in focus, even as they move quickly. Whether you're cycling, hiking, or capturing dynamic sports footage, the enhanced stability and faster response time ensure you won't miss a moment. And let's not forget about battery life. With Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you can enjoy up to 52 minutes of flight time, which is outstanding for a drone of this size. Plus, the fast charging capability means you can recharge 3 batteries in about 193 minutes, allowing for extended shooting sessions without long delays. So, who is the DJI Mini 5 Pro suitable for? This drone is perfect for hobbyists, content creators, and even professionals who need a portable and reliable aerial photography solution. Whether you're a YouTuber, a travel vlogger, or simply someone who enjoys capturing the beauty of nature from above, this drone is designed to meet your needs. Practical use cases for the Mini 5 Pro are endless. Imagine using it to document your family vacations, film outdoor sports events, or even create stunning promotional content for your business. The possibilities are vast, and with its user-friendly controls, both beginners and experienced pilots will find it easy to operate. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo is a versatile and powerful drone that delivers high-quality performance in a compact design. With its advanced features, excellent battery life, and safety measures, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography game. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.